The iKORE Ovens generation by iKORE Professional is here, a transformation of its precedent, a new concept of cooking, a unique generation with different ranges of Combi Ovens. The iKORE range is fully configurable, advanced or concept, boiler or injection, intelligent or basic wash, simplicity of expression to utilize the oven's full potential. Advance, an excellent oven which will revolutionize the food service market with all its features. The ideal equipment for a professional kitchen with the perfect balance of quality cooking, simplicity, efficiency, and assurance. And our concept oven, with manual knobs and buttons with electronic control, simple, economical, powerful, and robust. An oven with a robust design constructed with top quality materials for a range built to last. Thanks to iClimber in the Advanced range, the humidity sensor measures and manages the humidity to the nearest 1%, while the Concept range does so to the nearest 10%. Thanks to the exact humidity measurement, the flue adjusts to the parameters required, extracting excess moisture and creating a maximum precision climate. Perfect heat distribution and totally efficient production. Our easy sensor ensures exact precision with temperature control at the heart of the food and can work with up to 3 probes at the same time. Direct steam by injection or pure steam via a boiler generates the optimum humidity in the oven chamber. Even heat distribution is guaranteed by the 6-speed and the 2-directional fan without HA control. The power regulation is also intelligent. iCooking is a new smart cooking technology which lets you select the product and achieve the finishes you want quickly and intuitively. The oven adjusts the suitable phases and parameters. You can prepare different dishes at the same time with the multi-tray system. Managing your cooking on trays guarantees top productivity. With this system, you can plan your production so that it starts or finishes at the same time, using the timer or 3 probes at the same time. You can also standardize your own cooking processes thanks to the shopping trolleys. The automatic variable humidification system will always deliver the optimum results. Use the additional functions for higher performance. These programmed culinary processes will help you process all your foods to perfection. iKORE Cooking Center. All your recipes and ours at arm's reach. With easy cooking, you can set the oven to a simpler personalized mode with limited access if desired. iKORE Touch guarantees simple, intuitive, adapted control. And when you have finished, leave everything spotless with our new washing system, a configurable self-cleaning system to wash with liquid or solid detergent. In short, maximum disinfection for unique performance. The liquid wash also lets you run wash cycles remotely in a completely automatic and autonomous way. The HACCP lets you monitor all the cooking and washing parameters and manage all the information either directly on the oven or remotely in an intuitive format. Have everything connected and control your oven wherever you are and at any time. Because thanks to iKORE Connect, you can program, analyze, supervise, and guarantee the effectiveness of your ovens from your devices remotely. An innovative generation of ovens made to measure for your business, to which you can add the suitable accessories for your specific requirements. A generation of Combi Ovens conceived and designed by and for chefs.